Did Google Maps capture the first evidence ever of Bigfoot? Oh, look at you, Willie. You're really reaching over here, aren't you? We're off to a start here on a Monday.
By comicbook.com.
Of all places to find the definitive proof of Bigfoot's existence, few would think to check something as obvious as Google Earth. That is, of course, until earlier this month when one believer on Reddit, where else, scoured the planet for proof of the legendary cryptid, only to find a Sasquatch-like shadow appearing in the middle of a Colorado meadow. On January 17th, Redditor U33Sushi shared screenshots of the locale in question, revealing what appears to be bipedal creature standing in at just over 7 feet tall. Okay, let's see these images here, Will. He's saying, could it be a bear?
Huh? What do you think?
I mean, it looks like a... That could be so
Can't be a bear.
many things. Can you give me more...
More images?
resolution or something, man? Like, that's all I got to go on?
Hold on. I think there's more images.
Okay, that's all I can get here? Oh, jeez.
Yeah, maybe that's it.
Oh, man. Why you gotta do me like this? I don't know. Like, look at the black blob over on the right-hand side. Could it just be a pool of water or something?
No, that's a bear.
Also bear. Okay. So there's double bear.
This one is Yeti.
It is funny. I mean, it does kind of look like you can see two legs, maybe barely, out in the open like that.
It could be a tiny pond.
Man, what is it about Bigfoot? People love the Bigfoot thing.
Oh, dude, I love it.
They just, I don't know.
Nice to know.
I don't know what it is. The post quickly started to gain traction online and with television stations located across the area, unfortunately.
Hey.
For those involved in the hunt, it appears the item in question isn't really Bigfoot, but rather the beginning formation of a pond.
Oh, okay. There we go.
Yeah, so... I was thinking.
I'll keep dreaming.
I was in pond territory in my mind as well. I was definitely going the pond direction.